is Alexis Haass. I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer. My personal passion, I guess it's accelerating the transition in a way that's going to improve quality of life for all. Arcadis can play a unique role as a global design and engineering company. We have the ability to build strategies that also have insights into the practical implementation that we can help people deploy. In our last strategy cycle, we set out to embed sustainability in everything we do. We have been doing that in our client solutions, bringing forward things to market such as energy transition solutions, net zero facility solutions, and new mobility. We've also been starting to measure in our services things like carbon in projects. We committed in our own operations to achieve a net zero target by 2035. I'm happy to say we've reduced our scope 1 and 2 emissions, and we have also started to procure 100% renewable electricity for all of our electricity needs, including what we use when we work from home. Now, going into the next cycle, we're going to also be continuing to reduce our emissions when it comes to travel, switching over to electric vehicles, and of course, working on what we do with our purchased goods and services. The three most important and urgent global sustainability challenges, well, first, we definitely need to speed up the energy transition. We also need to make sure that we're not just working on mitigation, but also adaptation for our cities and for our clients, so that we have the actual climate resilience alongside the climate mitigation. But third, and maybe most importantly of all, we need to make sure that we're paying attention to a just transition. The social impact of this change needs to actually help bring everybody along. What are some of the key trends in sustainability? Well, of course, decarbonization through electrification. Also, a huge rise in attention on how we're going to mitigate climate solutions through nature-based solutions. Nature and biodiversity are going to not only help us solve this crisis, but also mitigate the impacts. Our next strategy cycle is about making bold choices and creating planet-positive change. That's about thought leadership and innovation. What inspires me most about Arcadis' future direction? We actually have the opportunity to build the future we want to live in. In the world of infrastructure, every project will last 30 years or more. So if you think about it, every single project that we do today will be around in 2050. It needs to live and work and operate for the world that we need then. So we get to build today the world that we want to live in tomorrow.